joining. My name is Khushbu and my co-worker Sanjeevan Kandasamy. Today I will be presenting an analysis of Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada as part of our HRM822 assignment. This presentation explores TMMC's operation, mission, key industries, trends and challenges, and highlights how HR planning plays a critical role in diversity in driving its success. Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada was established in 1986. Since its inspection, it has grown to operate three advanced manufacturing facilities located in Cambridge and Woodstock, Ontario. Together, these facilities have a combined annual production capacity of over 500,000 vehicles. To support this scale, TMMC employs more than 8,000 team members, making it one of the largest private sector employers in Ontario. TMMC is instrumental in producing popular Toyota models such as RAV4, the RAV4 Hybrid, and the Lexus RX series. Its contribution extends beyond manufacturing. TMMC supports local economies by fostering supplier relationships, driving job creation, and contributing to Canada's export market. Let's talk about the mission, vision, and values. The mission is to attract and retain customers by offering high value products and services. This ensures a focus on quality and customer satisfaction. The vision emphasizes Toyota ambitions to lead the future of mobility, enriching lives around the globe. This reflects its dedication to innovation, especially in sustainable transportation and solution. Core values center on continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, and respect for people, emphasizing collaboration, growth, and innovation. Let's talk about the key industry trends impacting TMMC. The first one is electrification of vehicle. The global EV market is expected to reach a valuation of $1.1 trillion by 2030 with a compound annual growth rate of over 22%. In Canada, government incentive and rising consumer demand are accelerating EV adoption. Driver assistance systems, advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistant, and automatic emergency braking are becoming standards in vehicle. By 2025, the ADAS market is projected to exceed $70 billion globally. Regulatory changes. Canada's commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2050 is driving strict emission standards. New policies aim to have all new passenger vehicles be zero emission by 2035, requiring automakers to scale up EV production rapidly. Let's take a closer look at TMMC's SWOT analysis to understand its position into the market. Strengths. TMMC has high production capacity, which enables economies of scale. It enjoys a strong brand reputation for reliability and innovation, which boosts customer loyalty. Environmental commitment aligns with growing consumers and regulatory focus on sustainability. TMMC's limited EV production is a pressing concern as competitors like Tesla and GM ramp up offer their offerings. Supply chain vulnerabilities, especially in the semiconductor shortage, have disrespected automotive manufacturing globally. A hierarchical structure may have slowed down decision making, making it less agile compared to competitors. The opportunities could be expansion into the EV market offers immense growth potential by leveraging government incentives. TMMC can invest in battery production and R&D. Technological innovation like ADAS provide opportunities to differentiate its vehicle. Threats could be competition in intensifying as established brands and startups enter the EV race. Regulatory non-compliance could result in finance penalties. Economic factors such as inflation and interest rate fluctuation impact consumer purchasing power. Let's move on to external environmental factor, which Sanjeevan will take care of it. Thank you.
So talking about external environmental factors, one is economic factors. Economic conditions such as inflation and interest rates influence consumer purchasing power and demand for vehicles. Moderate economic growth, inflation, and higher interest rates are expected to dampen the growth of new car sales to less than 1% till 2025. Technological factors. The rapid pace of technological innovation necessitates continuous investment in research and development. TMMC must stay abreast of advancements in EV technology, autonomous driving, and connectivity to meet consumer expectations and regulatory standards. Regulatory factors, environmental regulations and trade policies significantly impact manufacturing operations. Compliance with emission standards and navigating trade tariffs require strategic planning and adaptability from TMMC. Now, moving on to future scenario analysis. In the next 5 years, the Canadian government could implement stricter emission regulations, mandating a higher percentage of zero emission vehicle sales. The most desirable outcome is TMMC successfully ramps up EV production, capturing a significant market share and benefiting from government incentives. The challenges would be scaling production, efficiency, ensuring supply chain stability, and maintaining quality standards. HR strengths would be a skilled workforce, adept at leading manufacturing principles, and HR weaknesses would be potential skill gaps in EV specific technologies. The least desirable outcome would be TMMC fails to meet regulatory requirements, resulting in fines and loss of market share. Challenges would be adapting production lines, retaining staff, and managing public perception. HR strengths would be experience in implementing training programs, and HR weaknesses would be resistance to change and potential turnover. And moving on to importance of HR planning. HR planning is crucial for aligning workforce capabilities within organizational goals. For TMC, proactive HR planning ensures the development of skills necessary for EV production and technological advancements. This includes investing in training programs, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, and implementing succession planning to prepare for future challenges. Um, and to conclude, in summary, TMMC has established itself as a leader in the Canadian automotive industry. However, navigating industry trends, regulatory challenges, and market demands will require strategic planning and innovation. Proactive HR initiatives will play a critical role in supporting TMMC's mission, vision, and long term success. Thank you all for listening.